Hello, hi, and welcome back to yet another video. This is your channel called Adda, and here you can learn different things of the programming languages of Python. And we are continuing from the last lecture, the Python series. And I'm your programming friend Piyush, a software developer and educated in Newton School. So, before starting this video, I would just like to mention these things that Newton School is going to launch a Great Coding Contest of India. This is a free contest, first of all, and here you can get different prizes of worth rupees INR 5 lakhs, and yes, they are very exciting prizes, and you are not going to pay even a single penny for this contest. And also you will get several goodies like Amazon Echo, homepad mini, and keyboard and all, and special prizes are for the best female members. If you are female and you want to do code, if you are interested in coding, then just go and apply for this contest. The link in the description box below, and the female candidate will get a special prizes from Newton School as well. So Newton School is going to create a grand coding contest, and it is on 27th of July. So just go and sign up with the Google. I will just log in with my Google account. So after login, just go to the Newton School Grade Grand Contest 2021, and here you will get a detailed instruction, and it is on 9 days after today, that is 27th 8 2021, and at 9 p.m. it's 2 hour 30 minutes long contest. And yes, 40,000 people already 40,000 people already registered for this, so just go and don't miss this. So this is a great opportunity for you, and yes, Newton School is providing a lot of things in the launchpad. Also, you can learn so many things as well, like data structures and SQL and all. And yes, we are launching very early, very soon. Just these are the free of cost, and yes. So this is all about Newton School. So in this video, we will going to install some of the tools to launch the Python, to do coding in the Python. This is the second video for this. So first of all, let's install the Python. So just go in the Google and just type install Python on Windows. Okay? If you go and just follow the first link, that is python.org, you will redirect it to a Python website, python.org. And here you can see you have a download Python 3.9.6. It is the latest version of Python. If you don't want to install this one because it is unstable, the latest versions are unstable, so just go and select any of these here, that 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 2.7, and just install it. Okay, so I will go with 3.8, or you can also install with the 3.9, and just click here download Python 3.9.6, and it will automatically start downloading into your PC. Okay, I have already installed it. After the downloading this, just click on the setup.exe file and just click next, click OK and all. And don't forget to tick the add path checkbox in it. Okay, so after installing the setup of Python, just go to your command prompt and just write Python. Okay, if you write Python and hit enter, it will lead to Python like this environment. That is, you have a Python version. I have Anaconda also installed. Don't look at this version. Here you will get your version of Python that you have installed. Okay, so after installing the Python 3.9.6, or the version that you are comfortable with, we need a IDE. It's an integrated development environment where we can write a code. Yes, we can write the Python code in the notepad also. So to make it a very comfortable to use the IDE, we are going to use the Visual Studio Code. And what is Visual Studio Code? It is IDE, that is Visual Studio Code, and search in the Google. You will redirect it to the home page of the Visual Studio Code. Now just let me click this. Here you can get the Visual Studio Code. It is the best IDE for anything you want to do Python, C++, Java, JavaScript, HTML, web development, anything at all, and you will get all these things in the Visual Studio. Just download the stable build of this Visual Studio code and follow the instructions to install it in your system, just like click, add, repeat and all something, and you will be redirected to that one. After installing the Visual Studio code, open your environment, just like open your this start menu and search for Visual Studio code. Okay, install the Visual Studio code and open it in your system. So let it open, and then I will show you how to do different things. So when you open the Visual Studio, it will greet you with a very good message. It is a Visual Studio code and welcome, and it will ask you for the customization. I have already customized it for this one. So the first thing that you have to know, you have to install some of the you can say like extensions for the Python, and this is a Visual Studio. Just click here and just open it and go to the extension type. Okay, extension type, and here I have some installed extensions. Just type in the extension box first thing, that is Python, enter, and install this one, that Python IntelliSense. It will give you the IntelliSense of the Python. Then install the Python for VS Code if you install this one, or install the Python extension pack. It will include the Magic Python, Jinja, Django, and the basic extension pack of the Python. After installing Python, I need to run my code, so just go and type it in the search box, that is code runner. Okay, code runner. This is the code runner by June Han, and it has 8 million installations. So just go and install. After installing code runner, you will get a run play button here. Here you can see a play button, and it will also going to help you in running the system. Okay, these are the two things that is very good for you all, and rest is all up to you. If you want to install any more extension or not, we will move forward and see what we're going to do this. Okay, now just we need to make a folder in our desktop, so just go and open a folder. Okay, I have created a new folder in my desktop. There is Python code. I will double click on it and select the folder. Now I have this folder in my Visual Studio code, just VS Code, and now I can create a multiple files here, and I can write a code, I can write anything in it. Okay, so it is welcoming me, so I don't want to welcome, and just press Control and the tilde button. Tilde button is below your escape key. The Control and tilde button, you will get to open a terminal. You will see a terminal here, and this terminal will going to help a lot in creating the Python. So either you can use the terminal or you can use the Visual Studio to create a new Python. So just I will create a new Python file here. There is new file, and just like first code.py. The .py is extension for the Python. So just write it, the first code.py, and click on enter. After entering the first code.py, it will take some of the time to create your Python file, to create your new file in the Visual Studio, and then you are ready to good to go to code. Okay, so this is all you need to run the Python code in your environment in your Windows. You can also use few of the online IDEs, but I do not recommend these online IDEs because you need to save your code, you need to keep the record of your code what you want, and if you want to redirect, if you want to revise something in your code, then you can also revise that one. And these facilities are not helpful in the IDEs of the online IDEs. Okay, correct. So just this is your file, and here you can see that Python extension loading, that you have installed so many of the Python extensions, so these are loading. So first thing, I have to write the Python code. So just we will write a Python code just like print hello world. Okay, print hello world. We don't need any extension, we don't need any semicolon, we don't need anything. We want to print hello world, and that is this one. Clear? And just you have two options to run the code. Either you can use the terminal or you can use the code runner. So click on the code runner and select run code. If you select the run code, it will take a time to compile this whole code, and yes, here you can get the whole hello world of Python. Yes, we have write our first code in the Python, And now we are good to go to move to the basic structures of the Python syntaxes and functions and anything at all. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you, and this you have installed the Visual Studio and Visual Studio and Python. If you're facing any error, just ping me in the comment box. I will resolve it in the next video as well. Okay, so do subscribe to this channel code Adda. Go to the Newton School and register for the contest, free contest and exciting prizes. And also we are making you to get a good placement opportunities with free of cost anything. Okay, so that's all from this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care, and happy learning, happy coding. Bye bye from Code Adda.